Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Chetan Parmar and today I am going to discuss of ListBox Control of Visual Basic.net. We work on same project we already created in our first video. So I am just adding here ListBox demo new phrase form. And in this form I am adding a ListBox control and showing the demo how it's work. The main purpose of this box control to display multiple item to user, and user can select single item as well as multiple item from the list box based on the selection of the properties. So let's see how it's work. So now toolbox, you can find this box control and just add on form. See, okay. Now I am changing its properties. First give the name LST, sorry, LST, and this box I am creating for city, so I am named give LST city. Here in bottom side you can find items properties. It's form of collection. That means you can add multiple items at a time in form of collection, which is actually a hardcode data. So it will be statically display whenever its form will be open or executed. So now just click, so it will be open a string collection editor. Here you can provide one by one line city name. Let's say I'm first providing my city name Ankleshwar. Okay, then second city name it's a Bharuch. Okay, I'm just adding two city here and say okay. So now see here, these two city will be appearing here. Now I am executing this form. So okay, before that I am just adding its startup. So properties and here list box demo. Okay, and run. Let's give the error. See what's okay. I'm resolving this error and run. Okay. Now it will be perfectly display your both city, ratio and Bharuch. But it's in form of static. Now here I want to create it's a dynamic form of application. Means based on user input, the city will be added, and if I am supporting selection of Bharuch city and I want to remove it, so it will be removed from this box. And also I want to display which city I am selecting from the list box. It will be performing by display. Okay, so we are moving on some dynamic page of applications for adding, removing and display the items. So for that I want 4 button, so I'm just adding 4 times here. Okay, one more, so I'm deleting it. It's 4, 1 2 3 4, and just placing it on right place so appearance will look good. Okay, right, and just resizing its form. Okay. Now first button name properties. Here I am first providing name to btn add, which will be adding item. Text here I'm just pressing add. Same way for second properties is for remove. Here btn remove. Third for display, so btn disp for character, and here I am writing a full text display. And last for close, means I am closing this form by clicking on this button. So btn and close. Okay, now we first perform this close coding. I already discussed in previous video how to close forms You just write one line of code. So just double click on it and write me dot close. Okay, so it will close this form. This is extra code, so I'm removing it here. Okay, good. Now from this add button, you can take input from user, and whenever item user inserted, this item will be added into list box. So now I am performing this coding, so double click on it, add, and first I am creating one string variable, so string data as a string, and this string data will store the information. I am taking input by input box. So first it will be prompting for user what you give the data for prompting. So I'm just give data, say enter the city name. Okay. Second comma, it will be prompt for title. What title you want to set? So I'm just setting message and close. So now whatever user inputted, this data will be stored into str data. Now this str data will be appended to our list box control. So we are writing lst city name control name dot items dot add method, and here you can provide str data. So it will be adding this str data to our form. Okay. Now I am run this application by this triangle symbol. So just okay. Our two CTOs already available. India, Shore and Bharuch. Now I am clicking on add button. Okay, see. Here the input box is available and it will be prompting for enter a city name, and you can just provide your city name. Let's say I am providing a city name is Surat, and place OK. So this Surat will be appending here after Bharuch. Okay, good. It will be appending. See, one more. Add, then say Vadodara, and okay, good. It will be adding here. So now it's little bit working as a dynamic form data. Okay, and this close button, so we will be closing this form. So close. Good. Okay. Now we move ahead. Now for remove. So now just double click on it, remove. Now whatever item I'm selecting, this item I want to be removed. So you just write code city dot items dot remove, and here in bracket you give name city dot selected items. You be careful here. It's a selected item and selected items. So you just have to select one single item, selected item. Okay, so I am selecting selected items and over. Okay, so whatever item I am selecting, it will be removed from the list box. Now see how it's work. So now I am pressing run this application, adding two more city. Let's say Surat. Bombay. Okay, now I want to remove Surat. So just selecting Surat and press on remove button. So it will be removing item from the list. Okay, see, it will be removing. I am selecting Bharuch and remove. So it will be removing. So now it's perfectly working. Now close the form and do last button controls coding display. So how to item will be displayed in a message box whatever item I am selecting. So I'm just writing message box dot show and lstct dot selected item dot to string goes to string. Okay, So whatever item I am selecting, it will be displayed on message box. Now see it's work or not. Okay, with this I'm also prompting, giving some message also caption here, me message and this name, and now run. Okay, so I'm just selecting Ankleshwar and say display. Okay, city name is will be displayed perfectly. Now I'm adding one item here. Let's say Vadodara. Okay, so it will be there. I'm selecting here now Vadodara and display. It's perfectly working. And close, so close. So each and every item performance you have to perform for addition, remove and display small code you have to be right. Okay, now I hope you understand each and everything and you enjoying this video. So please, if you like this video, you can like this button, share this video with your friends and colleagues. Also you can subscribe to my channel. Good day and goodbye. Have a good day.